Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to everybody. I am Advait Kambam, Director, CTO of Webion Technology Services Private Limited. I am a cybersecurity professional and this video is being created to introduce myself to you all. The reason is, when you join this course, I assume you will come with a lot of expectations and you want to know who is going to teach this, what exactly are we being taught. So to clear all of these things, I am here to present myself, introducing myself to you all before the course begins and also introducing the subject of what you can expect from this course. Now, cybersecurity is a subject which is not very hard, but it is a little tricky to understand. For this, you need only one thing, which is right kind of guidance. And here we are at Webion Technology Services Private Limited, which is a one-stop solution and one of the best mentorship that you can get in the industry. Myself, when we come to my introduction, I am a cybersecurity professional for the past 8 years, where I've taught in multiple prestigious organizations like IITs, starting with IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Hyderabad, and a lot of other IITs as well. And I've also trained a couple of government organizations like ISRO, couple of police departments. I've also trained some banking organizations where I have trained their employees in understanding the problems that they face in economic offenses and economic frauds that happen these days. And we also deal with a lot of awareness sessions through our non-profit organization, which is called Cyvish Foundation, which deals purely about cyber crimes, which are already in rise. Now, I have trained more than 6,000 students over a span of these 8 years with a good number of percentage of students giving a very positive feedback. The reason is, this is not one of a kind of a training, or this is not a classroom oriented training. It's more interactive and a student centric training where we don't just impart skills, we train your mindset. Cybersecurity is not just skills, it's a mindset that you carry forward right from day one. That is what we are going to train you. Along with this, we are not just a training company of any kind. We are also a full-scale placement office where we place the students by not just tying up with some random companies, but we make sure that you are equipped with all the skills and companies find you and then they ask you to be joining their company. This is what we do. And this is not just a simple statement, it's a promise from our end. We also deal with cybersecurity research, which is quite the need of the hour, like cybersecurity in healthcare industry, cybersecurity in national security, cybersecurity in payment card industry. We have been working on a lot of research scale projects, which are now going to be converted into a product and we are in the process of selling it as well. Now, when we talk about cybersecurity, mentorship and skills go hand in hand. We have already collaborated with a lot of organizations where we have our foothold. We have been doing this for quite some time, where companies trust us. They don't just deal with agreements with us, but they come and they actually trust us more than any paperwork, because a mutual benefit and a mutual trust is more important. We deal with the subject in a way where a mother teaches a small rhyme to a kid. The kid will remember the rhyme forever because there is no pressure of learning it. Here, there is no pressure of learning the subject. What we do is, the whole thing is in a playful environment where everything is gamified. You learn it by playing it. You play the role of a hacker, you play the role of a defender, you actually play the role of everything. By the end of your training, you are not going to be a cybersecurity professional. You are going to be a CEO, which means Chief of Everything Officer. You can become anything in cybersecurity if you have the right mindset. And here we are going to give you the same thing. Now, Webion is one platform where we are not just going to give you a classroom training, but a hands-on experience for you to learn, implement, and also apply the same skills in the real world. So make sure you are also carrying the same interest and the rigor of learning and you come to this place. I promise you, after the end of the training, you're not going to regret this. I don't know how you're going to come to this training, but I'm definitely sure you will leave with a smile. So welcome to this course and thank you.